Sometimes the simplest colors create the most mystery. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using just 3 colors, black, white, and red. I will lay the paint down in clean lines across the canvas, knowing that movement will transform everything once the air hits the surface. I always start with a plan, but once the paint hits the canvas, I let go of controlling every detail. I go with the flow and allow my intuition to guide my hand. Sometimes the best moments happen when you stop overthinking and let the painting tell you where it wants to go. This color combination has been used throughout art history because of its impact. From ancient symbols and ceremonial arts to modern abstract and graphic designs, red, black, and white were often chosen to communicate strength, emotion, and clarity. Even today, artists use this palette when they want a piece to feel bold, timeless, and unforgettable. There's something powerful about limiting your palette. Black brings contrast, red brings emotion, and white creates space. I wanted this painting to feel bold, dramatic, and a bit little mysterious. I spread the paint across the canvas in lines, then use a blow dryer to push the colors outward. The airflow softens the edges, stretches the paint, and creates movement you can't achieve with tilting alone. I continue guiding the paint gently with the blow dryer, adjusting pressure and direction to keep the design balanced while letting the colors interact freely. And this is the moment where the painting starts to surprise you. As the colors move, the mystery really begins to show. The red started weaving through the black, the white opened up space, and suddenly the painting felt alive, like it was revealing its own story. When you work with high contrast colors like this, placement matters. Black can quickly overpower, red spreads fast, and white acts as a buffer that helps the colors blend without becoming muddy. The reason this blend works so well is contrast. Dark and light creates tension, and that tension draws the eyes in. When the paint moves naturally, those contrasts turn into depth instead of chaos. Here's the final result: bold, mysterious, and full of movement. The colors blended beautifully, creating an abstract design that feels dramatic without being overwhelming. If you enjoyed watching this pour come together, be sure to like and subscribe. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.